Well, hello. This is the banjo. It is newly restrung, all put back together. The neck is completely done again, and it is tuned with brand new strings. All the machine heads have been polished. Look at how pretty they are. The tuning pegs have all been done. The frets have been done. The inlays have all been redone, and you can kind of see it. This is a 1970s, early 70s Contessa. You can see it right there, maybe, kind of, sort of, maybe. Contessa Banjo that a very dear friend of mine had ever since he was like 12, and he's now, I'm 48, and he's, I think, 10 years older than I am. So it's like a 40-year-old banjo, but it now sounds really good. Not that I know how to play one of these. My instrument's the guitar, or the accordion, or the keyboards. Banjo not so much. But it is tuned. And it's ready to go. Back to the owner today on Christmas Day. And it looks nice. Everything's been polished and redone. The back is even nice. This is a mahogany banjo. It's made in Germany, and frankly, I don't see a darn thing wrong with it anymore. It's beautiful. Merry Christmas.